Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm mixing it up with Gigi. I am going to be doing an unboxing of my tower garden, and I want you to follow me and be with me through this process. Listen, guys, this is pretty intimidating for me. I've never put one of these together, and I'm going to attempt to do that with your help today. The tower garden is going to produce my vegetables rather, not fruits, but some fruits on a small scale basis, but mostly veggies. Prevent me from going to the market to buy all these unsafe veggies sometimes that have all kinds of stuff in them. This is going to be from tower to table. So I am going to start the process right now. I'm at home today. It's snowing, cats and dogs outside. So let's get started. Straight ahead of me is the tower garden with the lights. That's the kit first. And listen, I hope you'll be able to see me, but I'm going to attempt to remove the lights and put that aside first. This is a big job, guys. Then I'm going to unveil this beauty right here. I have no idea what's in here, and I'm very bad at instructions, but I'm going to give it my best shot. Yes. This is what it is going to look like once it's put together. It should and start. This is it, the growing guide right here, and this is just a picture of what the tower garden should look like. And these must be the instructions. Lord have mercy, help me today. All right, guys, I'm going to go in and take out all the parts and make sure I identify all of them. Come with me. Woo, Lord Jesus. All righty. All right, better leave everything in there the way they are. Not sure, it's a lot of different parts in here. I hope they're not numbered in the box or anything. Yeah, so I'm just getting everything out the box first, and then we will start the process. All the different things that comes along with it. This is a pH balance acid. Hope you can see that. And yeah, this is just for the base of the thing. All right, a lot of, oh Lord, there's a lot of parts, guys. I might have to call in backup here. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna give it a shot today. Oh, these look like this look like dinner. This look like dinner. I don't know what these are, honey, but they look like, oh, wait a minute. This is the starter kit, the seeds. There you go. But the bottom of the box looks like a nice dinner from some good place, but it's the starter seed. Okay. And these are some more starter seed. Awesome. And oh yeah, this is a big boy. This is the base of the tower. That's the big boy. Okay, we'll see if we can get this big box out the way. Wow, I'm tired already. I am tired already. Let's see where the instructions are. Let me put this here. And guys, I'm going to go through and look at this and make sure I have all the parts. All right, guys, so I've gotten all the pieces out, and let me go down on the floor. There's a lot of different parts to this thing, guys. Let's see if I can put it together. So we have the base, reservoir base, and then we have the reservoir lid. And then we have these three sections right here. These are the towel sections, and then we have a baby green section right here. I hope you can see all of that. And then we have 2 shower cap lid right here. Then we have the water pump, which is right here. Hope you can see that. And we have the swivel hose, which I think is this right here. Then we have the timer, which is this. Then we have the access port lid, which is right here. Then we have the water monitor, which is this. And we also have the rods, and we have the wing nuts. Then we have the germination tray. We have 2 of those. And then we have the 2 mineral blends right here. And then we have, what are these? These are the pH base. And then we have a measuring cup somewhere in this. I'm telling you, all these parts, there's a lot of them, but it seems like they all go together. Here goes the measuring cup. Then we have this hose right here, which is a drain pipe. And then we have the net pot. Where is the net pot? I don't remember seeing that. Let's see. This is a pH kit. Net pot. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to find that. I don't know what these are. The wheels. Net pot. Okay, I'm gonna have to find that net pot. All right. All right, guys, I guess I found the net pots. They are in here. So these are the little pots that you're gonna insert in the little tower sections and put your seedling in there. So we have everything here. Now the challenge is to put it together. All right. Let's see, where is the handy dandy direction? I think I need a stool or something. All right, guys. So now that I have all the parts, I'm gonna start the assembling process, and I'm gonna start with the base. But I just wanted to show you what I've done. I've also gone ahead and I bought this big tray. It's one of those washing machine trays that I bought because I want to protect my floors. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do with this tower is going to go ahead and put the wheels on. Doesn't look that hard. This is the last one that I have to put on, and they're a little tricky the way you have to screw them in. But they're pretty straightforward. I went and got my little handy dandy wrench here to help me also get it in there. All right. I think that's enough. It's tight enough. Okay, so here we go. So now I'm just going to put that up like so. And I'm going to deal with the top of the base. And first thing I'm going to do is put this pump in. And I think this is the hose that comes with the pump. Help me, Jesus. screwing this in. Let me get my directions. Make sure it's pretty flush and tight in there. So let me go for my reinforcement, my handy dandy wrench. Don't want to damage anything, but just to make sure it's nice and tight. This is all plastic. Okay, so all right, so they said to make sure you tie a knot in the cord to prevent drainage back to the. All right, so I'm tying a knot in here. There you go. All right, following all the directions. So this knot will serve before you plug it in. And then I think this part goes in here. Guys. Oh yeah. Ah, got it tight. Gonna enforce it again. My handy dandy wrench. Just to make sure it's in here nice and tight so there's no water messing anything up. That's tight enough to me. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna put it on to the pump, to the base rather. Alright guys, I struggle with this, getting this on, but I think I finally got it. We have to, it has some numbers on the inside. That numbers A and B and A and B, and they have to be in the right slot for this little tower to snap on right. So I have to make sure that the inner A and the inner B are lined up before they will snap on. So to align them together. Ha! Looky here. Right, I got one more. Okay. All right, guys, I finished fighting and got that last tower on. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the base first, and then I'll put the other part on. Let's see, where's that little lip? Right there. There you go. Oh man, it's pretty. Okay guys, so I have gotten the tower finally put up. The top part was a little challenging. This part right here was a little challenging. What I would say to those who are new and are going to be putting up the tower, make sure you mark the A and B process. Use a Sharpie and mark them so you can see them, because they're very hard, visibly hard to be seen. So anyway, so I have them up, and I managed to get it up. So now I'm going to just attach the cups. I started attaching. These are the little cups that you're going to put the little plants or veggies in. And I'm going to mix mine. I'm going to be mixing it with both edible flowers like edible marigold and pansies, and good old veggies. Okay, so That's it. You just snap these little cups in there, and also what I did, I attached the pump to this, the gauge or something, and so you just attach the pump to this, then attach this to the wall. But I'm not going to do it yet because I need to get water in there and all of that. So one part of mine is missing though, so they're supposed to be sending that to me. So I'm going to try and do as much as I can, but I'm going to wait for that part to arrive. So that's kind of it right now. I'm going to try and attach the lights. Let me show you the lights. Right, so the lights are in this big giant box right here. This is a topper, and they came straight like this, and they're pretty easy to shape. I'm going to put it on like this and show you how I shape it, okay? All right, so I guess they say to align. Put that in the back and make sure you align this little thingamajig right here. It's pretty easy to snap on, and it's aligned. And now I'm just going to bring these down and shape them away from the, not too close to the tower, because the lights, you don't want them to burn your veggies. This is a little bit taller than the average because I got a second part from a friend of mine instead of using all the baby ones. I have this, I put this away, and then I have this part that I got from a friend. Okay guys, so my tower garden is finally up, finished and running, and I'm going to just take you slowly through, and so you can see it from bottom to top. I will move my camera slowly, and so you can go ahead and take a good view. I have the base filled with water and all the nutrients that the plants will need. And let me go slowly to the top, and I have the lights going and everything. And guys, this was so nice and interesting thing to put up in your home. So listen, I have about 20 different veggies and herbs on this tower. I have parsley, kale, collards, I have mustard greens, I have sage, I have sorrel, and I have lettuce. And so in 3 weeks, guys, I'll be able to eat from my tower. So walk with me as I grow my own garden indoors, and let's get healthy together. If you are interested in getting one of these tower gardens, it will be my pleasure. Just inbox me on YouTube, IG, or a messenger, and it will be my pleasure to give you all the information you need. These are inexpensive way to get fresh veggies in your own kitchen. And the ambience it gives, guys, when it's watering these plants, the ambience it gives is so beautiful. It's like rain falling in your kitchen. It's beautiful. So feel free to inbox me. And again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. God bless.